My name is Mohammad Yasir. I am studying Amal College first year BCom student. I have conducted a seminar, the Critique Theory of and Behavioral Theory of Leadership. Comparing Critique Theory and Behavioral Theory of Leadership. Introduction. Leadership theorism to explain the qualities and behaviors that make effective leaders. Two prominent theories are trait theory and behavior theory. Trait theory focuses on innate characteristics. Behavioral theory emphasizes learned behaviors. Trait theory of leadership focuses on identifying specific traits that differentiate leaders from non-leaders. Common traits: intelligence, confidence, charisma, determination. Assumes leaders are born, not made. Limitation: ignore situational factor and development potential. Behavioral theory of leadership focus on the behaviors and action of leaders. Leadership can be learned through observation and practice. Behaviors: task oriented, relationship oriented. Limitation: overlooks innate traits and context. Comparison: trait vs behavioral theory. Trait theory emphasizes innate qualities, static views of leadership. Behavioral theory focus on action and learned behaviors. Dynamic and adaptable. Both provide valuable insight but have limitation. Application in modern leadership. Modern leadership companies insight from the both theories. Develops innate traits, example confidence, charisma. Encourages learning and adapting effective behaviors. Consider situational and contextual factors. Conclusion. Trait theory, behavioral theory offer complementary perspectives. Traits highlights the who of leadership. Behaviors explain the how of leadership. Effective leadership integrates trait behavior and situational awareness.